Welcome back to RC Workshop. So today we are out with the FTX crawler mauler. This thing is a fantastic little truck, I tell you. We've already done some upgrades to it though, so we'll just show you through them before we get started with it. So we've got some upgraded steel drive shafts in the centres. We've got upgraded metal geared servo that's also waterproof, the 20 kg one. These are good servos for the money, guys. Also come with a servo horn. Guys, this is a fantastic little crawler straight out the box. Really good value for money. Nice big 2.2 wheels and tyres on there as well. What can I say, guys? Straight out the box, this thing will absolutely crawl over everything. What we'll do is get some footage, stitch it all together and stick it on here for you guys. See you in a bit. Nice and easy with the mauler then, guys. Just a bit of steady steep grass terrain. No problem at all. Fantastic little cheapy crawler out of the box this is, guys. Absolutely brilliant. Up and over everything you throw at it. Oh yeah. Up a nice steep incline now. Back down. This thing crawls for days. Look at the slow speed it does. Straight through the bush. Check that out in the sand. Not a problem, coming up to a little gully. Oh yeah! What we have incurred, guys, is a little problem. The diffs on these FTXs are a little weak. As you can see on the back there, we're going to need a new diff, a metal one. That plastic one has actually gone. Keeps chewing the rod up inside, but it's still going well. You got 3-wheel drive, not 4. Keep going, Reese. Ooh! There you have it then, guys. FTX mauler. What a great little truck. So the only thing is for me, the plastic diff inside's got to be changed. The other mods seem to be holding up well. Steel drive shafts, upgraded servo. Them 2.2 wheels as well, guys. Really grippy, really nice. Anyway, please rate, comment and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. See ya.